So this is a 24-foot privateer. I'm storing all the stringers. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see how this turns out. This is all Coosa board. Then we're putting stringers and then just going to build the deck with plywood because Coosa board is expensive. I've got all this forward section cut out as of yesterday. I got to do here, except I'm going to concentrate on getting the tank bulkheads in, and also we're going to be putting in some fish buckets on either side. Instead of taking out the structural integrity of this stringer here, we're going to put buckets on either side, and I'm going to have to mold all that, show you how to do that. So subscribe.